Reece and Fergus integrate seamlessly to make managing supplier invoices and uploading price books easier than ever. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the Reece integration for both price books and invoices, starting with price books. First, head to Settings in Fergus, then open the Integration Center. You'll see Reece listed twice, one for the standard integration and one for the premium integration. For price books, we'll use the standard option. Enable the integration and you'll be given a unique Fergus email address. Each supplier gets their own. Copy this email as you'll need it shortly. Now go to Reece Max and log in. On the home page, click Download Price File. Follow these steps to set up your price file settings. Click Get Started. Choose the Comprehensive option. Select No Additional Products. Select Exclude Category Names. Choose the CSV file format and paste your unique Fergus email into the email field. Once done, click Generate Price File. Reece will automatically send the file to Fergus. Before you leave the page, we recommend turning on monthly notifications. This reminds you to generate updated price files regularly. Since your settings are saved, future updates will only require clicking Generate Price File again. Next, let's connect Reece for automatic invoice syncing. This uses the Premium integration, so head back to the Integration Center in Fergus and select the Premium Reece integration. Click Get Started in the top right, then choose your invoice start date. This is when Fergus will begin pulling in invoices. Then, log into Reece and select your trading account. Finally, click Connect. Once connected, Reece will show as connected in Fergus, and invoices will start flowing into your supplier docs automatically. And that's it, you've now set up both price book uploads and automatic invoice syncing between Reece and Fergus.